Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the April LookFantastic unboxing for you. I literally had to think which month we are right now because with this whole quarantine thing and lockdown, I don't even know what day we are. Here it is. It finally arrived a few days late, but you know I can live with it. So let's just open it up. It always says LookFantastic beauty box, then in brackets child. Ooh. It's a lavender color, pastel purple. Anyway, just open it up. It says, "Hello spring, we missed you." I didn't. Hay fever, allergies, it's not nice. But I get that a lot of people love spring. So we have the booklet here, or the leaflet, whatever you want to call it. And the inside is orange. Okay. Okay. Ooh. As if they knew I needed this. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm just gonna start off with this. This is the, oh my god, the Vintage Cosmetic Company. Oh my god. You know I love vintage stuff. Yeah, you know that. Do you know I need tweezers? Yes. Oh my god. These are slanted tweezers. Hold on. Oh my god, so beautiful. Very good material as well. Oh, I love this. Oh, the packaging is adorable. Cruelty free. Nice. Oh, I love this. Let me just put that back in here. That is so cute. Oh my god. I love this whole aesthetic. It's beautiful. So this is worth £8. These high quality stainless steel tweezers allow for precise and effortless brow maintenance. Actually tweezed my brows and they look horrible. I don't know that, so please ignore it. Oh, but this is so cute. Look at the flowers. So beautiful. I love this. And I feel like this brand is something that I could get behind, you know, because I love vintage items. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Okay, so the next thing, ooh, this is an eyeshadow palette by Bella Pierre. So this is what the package looks like. It's like a peachy color. It's called Peach Blossom Eyeshadow Palette. The colors are Dahlia, Glisten, Hawaii, and Copper Mine. We'll see. Let's open it up. Ooh. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, there's also like a bit of plastic in it. So, I have no idea how you read. Is this Dahlia? I think so. So Dahlia, Glisten, Hawaii, and Copper Mine. We'll give you swatches. They don't smell like anything. Okay, so this is Copper Mine. Oh, that's gorgeous. This one is Glisten. Stunning. This one here is Dahlia. And then, where's the other one? I think this one is Hawaii. Oh my god, I love this. And they're very pigmented, as you can see. Oh my god. They're absolutely stunning. They are gorgeous. Oh my god, perfect for summer. I mean, maybe, hopefully, we can go out in summer. Okay, so let me read to you what it says. Where is it? I'll actually keep it like this, because that's easier. So this is worth $28.99. Oh wow. The box itself is like $15. With 3 shimmers and 1 matte shade inside, this Bella Pierre eyeshadow palette, exclusively launching in this month's LookFantastic Beauty Box, is the perfect springtime addition to your makeup bag. Weightless, super blender bowl, and the perfect size for traveling with a handy mirror inside. Oh, this is beautiful. Stunning. Already in love. Then we have, this looks intense. Oh my goodness. Okay, oh, hold on. This is a mask. This is a face mask with some brightening oil. Okay, this is the first step and this is the second step. I am confusion. This is Star Skin. 100% camellia? I don't know how you say that. A nourishing and brightening 2-step oil sheet mask. Oh, this is interesting. Oh my god, I already cannot wait to try this out because this looks like it could go very good, very well, or it could go very poorly. You know me, I'm very clumsy. This will end up in a mess, I can tell you that. This is worth £9. Get your glow back with this Star Skin facial sheet mask, a dual part treatment that effectively targets dry, dull skin to soothe and restore your natural radiance. Pure camellia seed oil nourishes and softens skin, whilst niacinamide, mulberry bark extract, and peony root infused sheet mask replenishes moisture and brings a healthy, luminous complexion. This is gonna be so fun. Oh my god. Oh, the mask already feels very moist, so it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be such a mess, but I will do a video on it, as you know. Ooh. Coffee scrub by Mind Tan Body Skin. Exfoliant scrub for buttery smooth soft skin. This is vegan friendly. Ooh, nice. And it's Australian owned. Okay, and it's literally just the coffee. Ooh, this could be very nice as well. This is worth $9.95. Give yourself a full caffeine kick from head to toe with this exfoliating body scrub. Made from freshly ground coffee as well as an array of natural ingredients, this scrub will remove dry, flaky skin to leave you feeling fresh, soft, and with a more even skin tone. Oh, you can also use it on your face. Oh, that will be fun. I will definitely try that out. Oh my god. Such a mess in the shower, but it's so nice to use. I've had a few coffee scrubs before and it's so nice to use and it smells so good. Oh, really makes me want some coffee. But you know, I try to keep it a bit down with the coffee because otherwise I just go even more insane, if you know what I mean. So, Annual Lash Low Hydrate and Nourish Hydrofill Skin Supplement Lotion. Okay, hold on. This hydrating toner gently calms, hydrates, and refreshes as it eliminates dullness and balances moisture. Ooh. Wait, didn't we have something like this before? I'm not really sure. It's just a clear. It's not even the cream. It's like literally like liquidy. It's like water. Water. Don't know what that accent was. I'm so sorry. This is worth $5.58. This calming tone is perfect for dry and sensitive skin, formulated to hydrate and repair your complexion after cleansing. With a blend of active humectants, it boosts cell renewal to encourage soft and supple skin. Swipe over skin using a cotton pad or directly apply with hands, patting it into the face. So basically, after you cleanse your face, you put this on and then you moisturize. Okay. I love this box. There were boxes that were just like, what is this? But this one I love. Okay, so last but not least. Yes, last product. Ameliorate. I'm sorry, I butchered that. Transforming body lotion. Ooh, I need a new body lotion. Didn't know me. Oh my god. With alpha hydroxy therapy. Dermatological skincare. Okay. Smell this, if I can smell. Ooh, that smells really good. Like freshly washed linen. Smells nice. The Analogical one. Hold on, let me smell that as well. You know I need to smell things, right? Maybe like a bit like ginger or lemon. Just a tiny bit. Not a lot. This is worth £4. Specially formulated to treat keratosis pilaris, the dry, bumpy skin often found on the back of your arms. Yes, yes. This rich moisturizer uses lactic acid to get rid of dead skin cells and reveal renewed, soft, healthy skin. Dermatologist approved. I will definitely use this. Like, yes, I have those bumps as well. It's not nice. Absolutely not. Okay, so that was it. That was everything that's in the box. I'm actually very happy with it. There's nothing I could complain about. Nothing. So, the booklet here. We have, of course, we have the what's in the box thing that I just read to you. Then 10 minutes with Maria, Hatzistefanis? Or Rodial. Oh, that's the people who use bee venom. Right? Bella Pia Peach Blossom Palette. So basically a tutorial on how to use it. Should I do a tutorial like this? Like literally go step by step the way they do it? I think I will. Take a shimmer shade all over the lid. Which one? That doesn't make sense, so let's just forget about that. Your perfect match. Ooh, ooh. Okay, perfume. Clean cotton or floral bouquet? Clean cotton. Fresh cut grass or cracked black pepper? None of them. Fresh cut grass gives me allergic reactions, and cracked black pepper. I go with the fresh cut grass. Okay. Baby powder or roaring fire? Ooh. The Roaring Fire, probably. So we have the Calvin Klein Woman perfume and Tom Ford Ombre Leather. Beauty Dictionary, AHAs. AHAs. Basically what that is. Light and bright. How to actually get a nice dewy look and don't look as dull as probably most of us are because we're stuck inside and we can't leave the house. Okay, and then mood board. Everything for the spring box, what the inspiration behind it was. Florals, pastel hues, and awakening the senses. I think they did that. Oh, and then sneak peek for next month is the Avant Ultimate Hyaluronic Acid Wrist Erasing Dewy Moisturizer. That is worth £100? That is worth £100 for moisturizer. I'm shook. So basically for next month. So if you want to get, not this box, but next month's box, I have a referral code in the info box. Is always there. You know, not only on these videos, but just in general. If you want to use it, you can. I will get like, I think £5 store credit for LookFantastic. You don't have to use it. No pressure. If you don't want to, just don't do it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you tried any of these products. I'm actually very excited for this. The eyeshadow palette, like I just used one shadow up, and now I've got 4 new ones. I just can never win with this eyeshadow thing. But yeah, very excited for all of it. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already, and it's my next video. Bye. Hold on. Okay. Oh, no, I lost it. So let me just put that back in here. Okay, I have to find this first. Where is it? I still have eyeshadow on my hands, on my fingers. Brilliant. Absolutely gorgeous.